In this exercise, we want to compare the right-hand and left-hand derivatives to show that the function is not differentiable at point P. So what we want to do is look at the derivative of the line that we have here and the derivative of the different line that we have here, and basically just show that because they're not the same, then we can't be differentiable at this point. So we know we'll find that derivative by having the limit of x approaching 1 here from the right side and the limit of x approaching 1 from the left side. And we know we can use our limit definition for a derivative to find our derivative, but we can also remember that our derivative is going to be the slope of these lines right here. And we see the slope of y equals 2x, which will be the limit of x approaching 1 from the right side right here.